Hello everybody, myself Ashish Das. Welcome to my YouTube channel ATS Tech Info. In this video, I will explain MS Paint. In the previous video, I have already explained the introduction part of MS Paint and its some uses about MS Paint. Let's start our video. You know that MS Paint is used to draw something. That means it is a painting software. How to start? Click on start button, then you can search MS Paint by writing here search box. You have to write MS Paint, and you know this is the minimize button, this is the maximize button, and this is the close button. You have to maximize it. Then this is the zoom. That means if you want to zoom this screen, then you have to zoom it here. I will show. This is 100%, this is 100%, and if I will draw something, and in the previous video I have already explained about your pencil tool, rubber tool, eraser tool, and I will explain further. If I will take any shape, this is a rectangle, then if I will draw something like this, rectangle, within rectangle another rectangle, then it will be a very nice picture. Just click here and drag, pressing the left button, drag the mouse here, then another, then I will show how to color it. First you have to click on fill with color box, then refill it with a color, yellow color, then refill with blue color. As you wish, you can choose any color, you can choose light color, deep color, deep color, light color. Only two colors are required, and click here and drop it here. And background, you can choose any background, and this become a beautiful picture. And what is the use of this tool? Pick color picker. Color picker. What is the use of color picker? Click here, then color picker will be activated. Then pick this color, pick this green color, and you can put it here. Pick it and click here. This green color picked and put here. This is the pick color tool, color picker tool. This is the zoom tool. What is the use of zoom tool? Magnifier tool. Magnifier tool to magnify, to have the picture in bigger size. Then you can go to view, and then this is the zoom in tool, and this is the zoom out tool, and this is 100% view, and this is the roller tool. That means by clicking here, by activating it, it will be show with a roller. And this is the grid line tool. Grid line, it will show some grid lines within the screen. How to deactivate? Just again click here, it will be deactivated. This is also zoom in and zoom out. Then home. Then here we can rotate it. Here this picture can be rotated. Rotate towards right. Rotate towards right 90%. This is the scrolling bar. This is the vertical scrolling bar. This is the vertical scrolling bar. This is the horizontal scrolling bar. Rotate right 90%. Then rotate left 90%. Here it will be like this. Then rotate 180%. It will be like this. By scrolling you can have the view. %180%. Then there is 4-5 options. Flip vertical, you can have the view. Click vertical, and similarly click horizontal. Flip horizontal. And what about the resize tool? You can resize it, and browse tool, and you can use browse tool and write something. You can write my name. Just drag the mouse by pressing left button. Sorry, Control Z. If it is wrong, Control Z. And you can remove it by the eraser tool. And what is the use of A tool? A tool means text tool. It will insert text into the picture. Click here, then write something, and by keyboard you can write. This is the only tool by which you can use the keyboard. Here we can select the text and we can copy paste. First click on select tool, then select this, then the as is the selected, then right click on it, choose copy option and click here, then you have to paste it, right click, paste, then it is here paste, but you want to have this text here, then drag it and drop it here. Again I will show, copy, Ctrl plus V, copy, and then drag it means you have to click the left button and pressing the left button you have to drag it and drop it here, again I will show, Ctrl plus V is paste, then move the cursor, move the pointer and drag and drop it as per your requirement. This is copy paste. And how to cut paste? First of all, we have to select it, then right click, cut. By cut you can cut here and paste in another location. It is cut, then you can paste anywhere, you can paste, but by default it is paste in the left hand corner, then drag it and drop it as per your requirement, drag and drop, and this space can be filled with color by dropper tool. This is the color picker tool. Click here and click here, it will activate the dropper tool. This is the dropper tool, then click here, then you can choose here, then this white space is colored. This is all about your paint software. And another thing, you can color it and you can have the save. I have already told, file save is one option and file save as is another option. What is the difference? Save and save as all are same, but if you want to save in another name, then you have to press save as, then write your name, this PC, this is saved in this PC desktop, then save, click on save option. You can save this by clicking file, then click on save or save as, click save as, and by clicking file, then save as. Here there is some options. What is PNG? PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. This is a format by which you can save the drawing by PNG format. And what is JPG? JPG is Joint Photographic Expert Group. This is the full form of JPG. It is also a format by which you can save the photo in a good quality. You can transfer this file by email and by a website. And what is BMP? the option here is BMP. Another option. What is BMP? BMP means bitmap picture. It is also a format by which we can save our picture by high quality. And what is GIF? GIF stands for graphics interchange format. It is also a format. You can save the picture in PNG format. You can save the picture in JPG format. You can save in the picture BMP format and your GIF format as per for your requirement. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you have the latest updates, and also like and share the video to your near and dear. Thank you.